So this video is about, local food. Guangdong local food is called beef offal, but it's the essence of beef offal. It's really common, originally on the street, but now usually sold most of the time in the market or in restaurants as a local snack. It's beef offal, but processed and washed and then cooked with a certain way. It's really popular in both Guangdong province and in Hong Kong, since it has a long history, and usually it is eat with radish, the beef offal and radish all together. I think that in Europe and in the US, I think most of the places they do not eat the offals of like cow and pig and chicken, but here, especially in the south of China, the offals are used as dishes or snacks. Of course, after processing, The taste is quite good. It's crispy and also quite chewy. Okay guys, after 5 minutes of speedboat, we are here at the terminal, and here behind me you can see this fish market. It's the local seafood market. And we're gonna go inside and have a look.就这两个啊？还有一种木瓜，还有这个有木瓜，有豆粥，有那个木瓜。有木瓜。说的好像你要请我一样。Hello guys, now here we are in this market, and you can see that before when I came here like 2 months ago, or last time, or the time before last, they were on the first floor, and now they have moved to the second floor. 这个是牛杂，然后就还有这个鹌鹑蛋。来，我采访一下，你觉得这个好不好吃？哪个好吃？哪个好吃？
这个肠好吃。
还有哪个好吃？
还有牛杂。好脆。